Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this. This is a 5-minute skin device. It's made by Sculpt, and it's the Sculpt 2.0 IPL, or painless hair removal device. This is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open it up, show you what's inside. The box is quite tight there. Nice heavy duty box. All right, we got shaped foam inside, or cutout foam. Here's the IPL device itself, about the size of a really large cell phone. Emits the light out that end. You got a really nice quality razor right here. And you got safety glasses and the power cord. So we're going to go ahead, and the way you use this is first you shave a really nice, close, clean shave, and then you're going to use this, following the instructions, for the treatment, so that eventually, basically, you don't hardly grow hair, and it leaves your skin nice and smooth. So you plug it in right here. It's got a little fan built into it. Screen's easy to see. You don't want to wear these glasses while using it. It's got a manual setting, auto setting. So you put it on auto by holding down this button right here. And then you have an intensity setting right here. And that's all there is to it. And you can actually feel the heat come off of that. It's actually pretty intense. And that's going to keep that hair from growing back. Was sent to me for review.